Okay, it is January 21st, I believe, 2020, and we're here at the Surgery Center Viera at Deuk Spine Institute. And if you watched surgery earlier today, you saw this young man have a Deuk laser disc repair on his neck to fix a herniated disc in the neck. So what kind of problems are you having before your surgery today?
I had numbness and tingling across my fingers, out my arms to my elbow, and the tips of my toes.
Okay, and so now you had surgery about an hour ago. How are you feeling?
Fantastic. I can feel my fingers again, and so far my feet feel great.
Awesome. Did you have any headaches before surgery?
Yeah, I don't have any right now, but
Headache's gone. And we were just chatting, we haven't given him any kind of medication that would take the pain away. So all the anesthetic is worn off, and he's not on any pain medication. And you have a little ache inside your neck?
just the base of my neck's a little tight, and my throat from the tube, I guess.
Yeah, from
But
the
I
tube
feel
going
great.
down. Awesome. So where are you headed right now?
Food. Let's get some food.
Going to eat.
And then home, hopefully.
So no hospital stay after your surgery?
No way.
Now, were you told you needed a fusion by anybody else?
3 other neurosurgeons suggested fusion or artificial disc replacement, and this is much better.
Oh yeah, a lot better. No metal in your neck, nothing fake, it's all natural. So awesome. Anything you want to say to the rest of the world about your surgery or anything?
This guy's the man. Come see him.
Oh, thank you very much. Take care.
Thanks,
Don't overdo
Doc.
it, okay?
Appreciate it.
All right.